nyina mo ache ema mo atena se haya Sompa 93.2 Kumase brekwa na wote enka ewo sunyane Sompa 98.9 sama hudo ya etwa fa o mema fa na nyina no ena ya boaboa no kase bokwan so no pay ye de eba be som na ya kai se Facebook eya Sompa 93.1 anasa Sompa TV Ghana obetimi akọ YouTube akọhwe live for ho ehon so eya Sompa TV ena sama hudo ya de ba ne dos ne mo de bedi mo tintiman no ebi eni se soafo ya wono ehwe mrahye badwafo dwumadi so wode atodwa se enchekra mampanyin wo meye bobra ne yetebre ho nsem no wode beba betodwam nsem wo ha obeti
yade atiefo ebekọ mrahye badwafie dom kuma wo ho ede de srede ato obanim se ebesi sabre god for oil nhyehyɛ ya mo de baye no omonte omo ho ase papa nti omo mekirem
ekuo bi so babonte ne nyina ne se wakondete yawie wo kyra de besa afini akire nie aban no entua won mo kade nsem no mo ka kyra aban
Ashanti regional coordinator edema computerized selection and school placement akasa
Sanso so na University of Ghana the suafo bi a wo mo agentete ho na wo mo yamrahye badwafo wonom de sobo bi ebo sukuu ne mpanyimfo ne sukuu mpanyimfo nso ababonten akasa de afa ho
University of Ghana honoma so na nemrahye badwafo a omoju omontete wo honom e de adesrede kase pa akwa school mpanyimfo ne se ni court ehya no so amahwe no mani so a eduoye ne kase pa e na bebre suapon no
panyi bi so waben akodale ewo bambo ho ensemu waka kire aban ne se wonhwe sebe ya bokonsansem wo bi a wakwa akosi hini bi wo ho no wonom enhwemfa asotwema no betimu nsem ewa ha Ebusia wenom eni afoforo bi enna no pay yede ba besom sa no pa no nsiabrem kase ebo e Sompa 93.1 ne Sompa 98.9 midi di wo hene yire ma me akua yeboa asia ma me ni menuaba
Kuya boachewa asempa etia
afe yan jebran ne adaje na ensenemo bomu nyina yentimi enfa mesomo soafo eya wono anasa panyipa ya wono eya wode wani kiremu ewo aso ya hodo ni nyina mu wono ena ye panyipa tua wono ma no abadwumadi ahodo nyina wo mrahye badwam so no wono ena hwehwa etoto ano wono monyafo se cheme sabonsusu amemrahye badwani wode atodwa se enchekura nyakopon ya dom na wode cheye na February bosomi ewo ne de toso aduonu nwotwe no na dodankwa akufo adom ampanyiba kogina eyemrahye badwam na wo meye bobra ne yetebra sabre ewom no watimi ede akwa akotodwa na ne nyina mo sa de assemble to aso semrahye badwam for republic wonum ehya se no kabima meka bia mamu ya wonum frase nyakopon ada roma wadodwo wonum ade o maba besi ne no enche bia ne finhye aduasa wonum ebedi ho afidida yewra chemen sabonso ebiebie nsamani so kire yense
72. Right, Honorable Speaker, papers may be late during the week and reports from committees may also be presented to the House. May be debated and their consequential resolutions even taken during the week. The Business Committee again urges committees with reference to expedite action on them for the consideration of the House. The Speaker, as honorable members are aware, this year marks 30 years of parliamentary democracy since the inception of the Fourth Republic. In this regard, Parliament has earmarked a number of activities throughout the year to celebrate this monumental milestone. In view of this, the official launch of the 30 years of parliamentary democracy is scheduled to take place on Wednesday, the 22nd of February 2023 at 9 a.m. in this very chamber. Speaker, honorable members are kindly reminded to take due notice of this and be punctual for the Wednesday sitting. Speaker, barring any unforeseen development, His Excellency the President of the Republic is expected to deliver a message on the state of the nation on Tuesday, the 28th of February 2023 in accordance with Article 67 of the Constitution. Speaker, in accordance with Standing Order 160 sub 2 and subject to Standing Order 53, the Business Committee submits to this House the order in which the business of the House shall be taken
Swafo ya wono hwa mrahye badwafo nyina adwumadie so ye roche mensa bonsu ena yekọ ekotie na no de sem ye to ansem ne so
okopiemu ewa mrahye badwafia onimonyamfo alasan sayibu suhuyi no no ene gina mu de ma omanfo omo tamale north no panyi ena ene dey wagina dom kuma no anamu atuntesu kokko e de akira ban se ebesi sabre god for oil hyehyaya omo de baye no omunya omo ho ntiase enu tinka ya chairman edema business committee onimonyamfo osei mensa bonsu on samai finance minister Keno Foriata no megina panyifo anum endoso doso nsem ni pensem musabaya god for oil hyehyaya na omo de baye no omo benya omo ho ntiase say anoka ne simsify.
I made a humble appeal to the business committee, but your superior wisdom and guidance was that it should not coincide with the Minister of Finance's presentation on the domestic debt exchange program. Mr. Speaker, it has to do with the humble request for the House to consider taking a briefing from the Finance Minister on the new policy that we have heard oftentimes discussed in the media, gold for oil. And Mr. Speaker, my humble plea was based on the experience that is known to this House with regard to how Sino-Hydro has not lived up to expectation, even though we're told that it was also a better transaction policy. And again, Mr. Speaker, the discussions raise questions about whether or not it is not to be covered under Article 1815 of the 1992 Constitution. And it is based on these, Mr. Speaker, that I want to renew my appeal to the Business Committee to consider programming the Finance Minister to brief this House, because we are told this policy is basically handled by the Bank of Ghana.
Onomanyamfo alasan suhuyi anu si ya pe ena titenani ademadwadie badwakuo ewa mrahye badwafie no onomanyamfo osei mensa bonsu enso di tudwa se asemusi ya munya abotre kakresa ne se god for oil policy aban dia ba no eyen hyehyaya mapa ebeboa ama omani sikasem afa ne ntuma pefra.
He said that it should come to Parliament. We'll see. We'll have further engagement to see the import of the request. I think I will dialogue with the minority leader on that, and I will see where to carry it. But I think that, speaking for myself, I think it's one of the landmark issues that this government has undertaken. But maybe members may have to understand the import of it. I believe that's going to have tremendous impact on our economy. As far as I'm concerned, it's a very good decision that we take. But we'll get to it. As you guys have said, we will have some further discussion on the matter with the minority leader, and we'll see where it will land. Thank you.
Otetna ni ademadwadie badwakuo wo mrahye badwafie onimonyamfo osei mensa bonsu nene ne ekotie no
ye to ansem ne so boara self from dia sabre ye kasa church for bese empim edunum 15,000 teachers and a one ma babonte o makom ho abom sekuo esu ese aban besa fe ene echire ne one makatua eyade akamu a enam so nte no ama ho ye hia pa no wakwa akotom eno nti wasra ban sen kebe ya wodwumani ese fatala katua nte no wanhwe na katua anase omunyina katua ya akamu no wontimi enfa meda wonom Sompa kase ye ne emu ba kwa wodi mu ntenteman edwetwe komomode ensem ne mu nkyeremu ema yense
Ghana Education Service almost fire second February, that's 2022, and it started 3 years now. Now it started 3 years now. I'm releasing the staff ID batches into first batch, second batch, third batch, fourth batch, fifth batch, sixth batch, now even seventh batch. You can do that from the staff ID. It's no more money now. I'm more staff ID in the bank from that first, second, third, fourth. I'm biometric from 5 from 6. It's fifth batch for me. Yeah, so the staff ID in the bank November, and the biometric from November. That's last year I'm making. It's not you're showing intention. So the December, you validate all right, but then December was only in 1,000. And now it's one among a Ghana Education Service. I'm like said, a technical issue, normally control and contact in the department. You know, almost one among my system and something general. General by validation, I will be a validation for time. Yet you bad there by metric November. BAD TV listen that and people watch and the BAD fish. It's not so many missing staff. Or more ideas missing staff. But somebody be missing staff. I'm interested in Sikama. To me, I do be missing staff. It's about writing. So much I say, or more ideas missing staff at Canada Bank. And no more year. General also young. Young tank is young. It's a you know that the year you might be seeing I have 1,000 to Ghana Education Service. Common for money. See, you need to say the man. They don't say a financial currency, financial currency. So you will say, "Obi no can open up to you." They are basta. They are and nam so. If you move the plan, if you are see you be a one time you do soon. They be in and out, light bill, better bill, and a move up from you want to compare them. Our landlords are on our neck. You need to compare me school to our head and to our children. Then now you call here from among some of the money to check your daughter. The end of 1,005. Since the other day, in fact, I from winning. You show many things say, Busumi we back to Canada. So, the American can on your cover, you could be almost there. The Sican, Yashin, but then you see only officiality there and from home. But by this time around the February radio, so Kana Ma, and you're betting for the they will see us on the street in the form of either picketing or demonstration. There show many, there show be validation for time. So, we be validation, not validation, and I think, whatever the idea may be, so let's say, oh, my idea of little stuff, let's say. Can Busumi every year. It's a Busumi any year. So Busumi every year when Tiakem then I think can Amadia. Then I answer your party at it from there. Nancy I think they talk at Shaban.
Ebusia for the waka say a church for best a payment ya henumu bako ya wachre se abai no won sika kodi no wonti beya won famla no muso munya baby anase bibi emfa ento aduane endi enemu bako de Sompa kase edwetwe enkomo no ekua yenko
Ekubia ya friend of Parliamentary Caucus of Old Vandals Association. We mo ayo ni monyam for mo marashebe ye fie a mo gye mo ntetie e University of Ghana. Na hola na mo wo e nia ya friend of Vandals ene dey ana mo tuntesu kokko e dey che school mpanyufo ne say court injunction or the baye a mo bogu ya mo de wo ma shakedne said yo mo peya na mo beye no wo mo hwe no munya esa ne say e ya rahosam pa na de ye ne kase e na bebre school no empanyufo ni asuafo ni na say ana mo ko mo nsem sifae.
We are aware that the University of Ghana sought to introduce a new policy known as in, out. And we believe that that policy is unjustified, and regardless of what circumstances may have precipitated such a policy move, we are opposed to it in principle and on the basis of lack of evidence to merit and justify such a policy. But as law-abiding as we are, and as members of the Old Vandals Association of Ghana,
Sompa FM.
we want to state emphatically that we expect the University of Ghana to respect the recent injunction granted us by the Court of Competence, and we fail to understand why the preeminent university is failing to respect the law. And we can promise and assure you that as all Vandals, we seek peace in the resolution of this issue.
Sompa FM.
We will use every single legitimate means available to us to protect our home, our culture, our tradition, which has served us well and continues to serve us. if any member of the hall has misconducted himself, we have no problem if such an individual is identified and the sanctions available meted to that individual. But to seek to punish an entire hall, a hall that has produced some of the best in the Republic of Ghana, a culture that has been very, very productive in producing those of us gathered here and even more.
Parliamentary Caucus of Old Vendors Association, our for Clement Abasa Park, Edano, and Omakasano.
Ebusiana and Semwe Yaho and a Namso Ama Esiapono Mecha University of Ghana, one penny for one so about Bontesa, no year ever war at the Mount Moyan for Clement Park, one in the Domia, one more sorry so. Now the one day Benyan say, a dear ya horse, I would do ya one of a say woman, Nina Dano Papa, my sopa, my sono, and ya no more dentia, name of the year, Yomuntia, Nina, and sent to Quanto Quates, Sisukumu, Efa horse on home, and not to a mode as a say, but said Beya, a betimia brasa, Basabasa ye, and Entoquaya and Pempinano, etimi Esisukumu honom. Now, Vice Chancellor, ya wano ewa suapon him was share as Suafonso, Ekita Hundia so, wano and a Professor Gordon, a wandale, what the and Semunchemu a boy, and I watch as a domu yaninano, beboa, ama basabasa ye, etwetra, was Sukumana quarto no, what they atemo a bayano, Nako shaso bepe a dying and I say horse a woodwo, ama and quadana says Suafonimum, etimia than went to me and yesa, Nesukunishe, no more dombe and a betimia boadia, one bear is up a pepper, no so, and one year, ya what my ye, and no.
Because you know that even if a court says that you should go or you should go back to Komofo, all the students know the process by which you get the room. It is not for you to get up and go to the hall and push your way through and say you are going to take over the hall. Which other student? It's not your to enforce a court order. This clash that or this mob action that they did this week, about 1/3 of the people, we can't find them in our student records. So either they gave wrong names to the police or they are not students. They are not in the records. But they said they were coming home. They were coming to take their beds. Which beds?
Ebusia penny ya yetinin ken wano University of Ghana Vice Chancellor ya wano ewo in charge of student affairs Professor Gordon Awandale wano ni nchiremu ena ebusia yekwo ekotie ye.
And da paso a school placement a honsensem awofo twaja adwesa ne say won ma ehwe ne musanku obenya school bi akọ anase enko behwe no wasesa won school no enam so ema Ashanti regional coordinator edema computerized selection and school placement system no oni monyamfo owusubrobe akasa echeche awofo ni na are say wo bia anka na koma Anthony emesa ne say enhyehyaya mapa enode agu akwam se be yesuafo ni na ebenya school papa na wako nensem no bi ne yentie bi mra
this year no ayesronko efise yede enhyehyeye bebre gu akwam ema ehawa na ye experience no previously no ye say ye be sisa emu kakra enti afuwe ye kofa bibi e friend cluster e de be kan cluster ni ye school a omubo atipen enti enam saa ni enti no se utusu se me pese me ko prempe na prempe we anya kwan a enam so cluster na Masi high school opoku wari wo no etime de ukọ enti enam saa kwan so eti ye hawo ne ye bia su bebu emaye ye she dwumadie na se enra na ye sha ase no ko te se de ye pe no so far ye nya encounter any serious problem bia how teach you about tiny woma ediba ya so ye ha ye se wenya day na yensesa no man boarding obi oho no ma oba etimi ebe complain say school a ye di amano no wan select obi oho nso a o si program a ye di amane banana ne ban chusu ye no afi o mo kodadwene ho no akla no empe enti yensesa no basically saa how no na yebuso a ye ho adwuma ana enkwala ne bi wo ho no ma na mo de moniti schools are fire ne nam se soso na school no category A na wo modern monantimi an competency we anya baabi enti saafo no de ye wo ha wo mu pa titru ene ye hwesa akola bia benya school akọ schools ni so de bi wo ho ekwan bebre dem a ye bo modern se awofo no ebe show interest na yetimi de mofra no etimi de akọ sa school no makoso de
Yera owusubro bedi chechemu itu dwa pe ene ama ne bofo na ya amankwa bisa ne se owura na tibet ne so esuafo ne gye ho ana
tibet no enka yebetu fo se enka batan no dodo na emwa se de be ya emofra no be nya onsa no adwuma anaso obetimi di wonsa ene wo wadwene ne wonyansa ne osuamu aye bibi ede aboa wo ho ne wo man no pen bebre no yahu se grammar type of education amwa nti o se yenya saa nsatraye no ene nti na o mampani ene minister of education o mutri mu po ene won hihye mu wo this STEM academy aba me fa ne se abatan na to any Tibet no technical and vocational education no about China to afiwe KTI one of the highest subscribed school in Ghana, one of the highest subscribed schools in Ghana. E mo frani chusu pa ba na mo kan na wo honinti no enye bebre na nya asa akwanya no ye wo gidie say ye koye nim no improvement will come. And then parents have also understood the need and importance of technical education. Unlike before, and then Akulaba grade 8. First, Nankobia, when you're 30, 40, and now about technical school. But God so good, 8 room, 7 room, 6 room, 10 room, and then such restaurant, Eba. Ti better about Tayase, the better about say, the better minister say. Na ya hye yan mufra no sa kwanya aban ne dia to se wo mu ko school kwa no wo mu so bedua wo mani na wo makosua de na wo ho aba mfaso ama wo man no ene Ghana mu ni nyina
Ono manyamfo owusubro be ono na ye Ashanti regional coordinator at the computerized selection and school placement system.
Ukuada ya no etwemu no ena aban no edekrata efon monyamfo kodwo ponkro my information minister so esa wonko na nananu mata kodwa bedwa bi ya wono so ewo boko empotem wono wontimi enkochichi wono no fa wo mo enkogina mranim ni nyina ne se new boko anase boko na bafofro bia wono masi no ewo akonwa so wo no ekenye ne kwano ninti no wono mo hwe na kasumdwe ntimi mra now so North East Regional Security Council bambo dwumaku anase ekuo na eno ewo North East mantam no wonum esori gina se da bi ewra we ku ode ye ma ho kwan aban ni kwan bia so otimi be chi obi wa hasenom ni nyina ne se bako nsensem na ekoso no aban ni ye bidie nanso no wonum fi se wonum edu obi foforo esi so se wa hina e na betimi aboa wonum ti no na aba foforo ya wonum apa no wonum entimi ma aban ne kwan sa wonfa ne ko gina mrani mu anase prosi meche no na wei ena enam so nte no eye panyipa ya wono eye entotoye ho nsem ewo West African Network for Peace Mr. Albert Yelang wono so e de atodwa se niema ekoso wo boko no se ya nhwe na ya nso anu ade kwadeba no eyade a eje nsem nte no wono akasa ne de nko ade a aban ne nhwe no ope anopemasi brefi se ne ya yekasa kura no nipa dodo na e na abotwi agetrada ya wono mu free ho e do mani ache Burkina Faso mu a wenyina no enya sempa emfamayen.
If you understand how the violent extremist terrorists operate, usually they find opportunities such as these, ethnic tensions, or social conflict. Then they can determine whether there are weaknesses in such engagement. And probably if the security is really not on top of his job, there is not enough surveillance, then they can infiltrate. But you realize that Boko and all that is very proximate to the happenings in the southernmost part of Burkina Faso. and that we have gathered indicate that over 5,000 people have fled disturbed communities in Burkina Faso into the country. As we speak, the Boko West District Assembly is finding it very difficult to contain the situation and is calling for support from all stakeholders. It is very difficult to have accurate immigration or migration data as far as people who move into the communities are concerned. So you could have a situation where that is infiltrated. Now, if you look at also the kind of deaths that are occurring in Boko, the incidents, some kind of banditry or militarized, attacks. And some of the times we have we have instances where incidents occur, and we are not getting the information in terms of arrest, in terms of prosecution, and where those people have fled to. We should have monitored what is happening in Boko for over the period, and most recently, you would realize that there were some deaths that occurred, and the security agencies were fingered in those instances. Then you also realize that there have been some deaths that have not been related to the engagement with the security agents. Some of them have been synonymous of sniper attacks or targeted attacks.
Ebusia for coordinator Edema West African Network for Peace wana Yewra Albert ena yekwo ekwoti no se empanyimfo fa wonansi from said ye eniaman esisa akokọ akono enya ade aye tenatena ho sei na ebetimi aboante no ebra so wanhwe ye kurampo na akofa ntotoye abeto nananom ehemfo ye mo obọ comportam ho ene aban ne ntem no ye nyina ye nsin konwa asem bia ni ho aye de sekan ena etrent wo mo hwe na wonom empa asem no anopomasibre
Ekikako na watwe mienu ni na torencham kese esi wo Turkey ene Syria enam sa asase wuso iso amenne enkrofo bebre ahwere wondofo ebinum so wo hono ma yehu o machira kwan enam sa kwan we so ema South Tongu mrahye bedwani oni monyamfo kobena mensa woyomi e de akoto mrahye bedwafo ani mu se enkebe ya enkataki aban aramo nsini aso ye ayewo ma kronkron Ghana mu emra no be ma mu chirechire mu mapa enchirechire mu ese ne se enuama bebre na afrifri mu aba besisa bre yenya ye ho ntiase enu tu onhwe na wonye ne sanfa maye.
But still now we have not received any further update from the embassy to help deal with the confusion regarding the true state of his safety. If embassy is unable to provide us with any updates, then we are in Wonderland and do not know the report. The report to work with says there seems to be conflicting reports. The embassy owes it a duty to the people of this country to give an update on the situation and ensure the safety of every Ghanaian in Turkey. There are pieces of information on some media platforms such as Ghana Soccernet stating that rescuers are narrowing on efforts to rescue the footballer but lack necessary equipment to aid in their search to rescue Achu and many others under the rubble. The government must be blamed for not putting in any effort in facilitating the search for the precious son of this land. The Turkish have lost over 2,000 of their nationals in this disaster. Therefore, the enthusiasm to look for one Ghanaian will obviously not be there. Reports reaching us as at 15th February 2023 is that there is no representative from Hataya Sports present at the ground to help expedite the rescue mission. And another report stating that some sections of the rescue team have brought their rescue missions to an end. This is really frustrating news to receive. Even though it is getting too late, we think government should quickly intervene in this regard to help rescue Achu, as it is predicted that more bad weather is expected to hit the region.
Mrahye bedwani a ogina de mo manfo mo South Tong oni monyamfo kobena mensa woyomi eno de adesrede ekwa Turkey aban anamo nsini e wa Ghana ha sei sa hwe ye no so won pa bibi papa bi meka nkyere sa ne se yeguso ya hwehwe ye de hye Christian Achu
Ebusianfo afa yenkwa na madwenkyerɛ kakra ya mode aba no yentimi emobo so emfa emmamo na ansa na yeka cho se mizo ewe adwa so 5G ewe adwa so bomode ama won sanka bi operative no so ewe ho won sabetimi akabi numbers no 0246 270 221 ebetimi abo opomoden ene wa hoɔden nsɛm no ebesɔre agina brane ama bibia akoye yɛhwɛ no madwenkyerɛ ya mode aba no yentimi emfa nto dwa na yɛnsɔre tew na Ghana fapem dwumadie no entimi ento so NS Dako was say good morning to you too Linden Coffee was say wa my ache akua ne akua Nyankopɔn enhira yɛda asena Nyankopɔn enhira Sompa Felix upon was say 100% kase no edemu ewo ho na was say wa my wa hene yire ne akua aboachewa wa my ache ye so na da che hene nana kwadwo pon bampena se ene odi free ba yeda se papa na sanso na amisco spelele kasoa wono so trese weekend news no fantastic wo ho belated happy birthday ekodi ama ye yewra sante ya wono ye philanthropist wo kasoa Felix dia no ya kenti enkosoro kakra enfama George Adutum wose wo mayache na Christian Achu dia na ekokoso wo Facebook na ye nokura na asesen yo bomina na me no mienu nyina agya saa na ye tetetete nsete sempo ye de ye nimpo ebusia ye fasi asenom na nchia kese enko enfama ye rasante ye boa Benedict ono semufo panyin na kese enso pa na seda no ebi enfanko ma ye newsroom jumaifo nyina Sompa 93.1 Kumase ene Sompa 98.9 na kwenya komemo achi na no pe wo no ochia me ene Rex mu nyina Nyankopɔn enka mo ho ewo na ima ene boa yen ema social media handles YouTube and Facebook no wode etwa efa ho PK man PK no oboye chidom echinchin fidie ne fruma ede ma yen medid wo hene ire ma me ekua yeboa esia ma me ni menu aba
ekua bo achewa asampa etia
ekua ne ekua yamamu ache adamu ase yesore so ama Ghana fapem nana ya oboa ma ede aba beto amoso ne nsemo ebekɔ no enya asem ketwa wantie bia wa ha ho ultimate yewra sante yebo asena ne classmate no ewo owas sabre wo ma me eda fom a me afia da fom nte no enemo pedo krabre ewo udara balase no ewo bantment Nyankopɔn wose won hye woden na wonka wone nyina na ewo awerɛho mu nte no Nyankopɔn enhira na onka ho kyekye owre efama no